Okay, so you've set everything up. You've done your landing page, you've got the opt-in set up, you've got the automation set up. Somebody's opted in and somebody has said to you, oh, I opted in for your thing, but I didn't receive any emails. This is what you need to do, and this is what you need to check if somebody is telling you they are not receiving emails. So you're going to come into MailerLite, and the first thing you're going to do is go to subscribers. You're going to come down to this little search part here, and you're going to type in the email address of the person who says they aren't receiving the emails. Now, the first thing that I will say is if you type in the email address that they give you, if you go back to them and say, oh, let me just double check, what's your email address? And they give you an email address and you copy and paste it in here, you type it in here and no subscribers come up, that's the first issue. They've not entered their email address properly. So you can eliminate that one. But it comes up showing them as a subscriber. You're like, great, okay, let's have a look at what's going on. So this brings you up all of the information about the particular subscriber. So this is me. I subscribe to all of my stuff to make sure that it is working all of the time. I will go through all of my workflows, all of my automations. I will go through everything. So here you can see the activity. You can see all of the activity. So it shows you that emails have been sent. So you can see here, automation email was sent. So if they are saying they haven't received an email and you know that the first email in your automation is called your guide is here, you'd know the name, it was sent, that means it's in their junk. It's in their junk, it's in their spam. It could be, and I know that Google Mail have some quite good spam blockers, but it has been sent. So there's nothing that you can do other than go back and say, you need to go and check your inbox, but it proves to you that it's been sent. That's not, it's a them problem, for example, it's not a you problem. So tell them to go back and check their spam. If it says on opened your email, that doesn't necessarily mean that they've opened it and read it. With some systems, so for example, mine, I use Mac and I use my Apple Mail. As I click on the email, I don't need to double click it to open it and read it. It just opens it in the window. So that would count as me opening the email, but it doesn't necessarily mean that I've read it. So just to give you that guide. So as I go through, I like deleting them all. As soon as the next one comes up, it shows as opened. Doesn't mean that I've read it. So that's the first one. The second one is, okay, they haven't actually received the email. So they've signed up. So this is a great example here. This was me testing something. They were added to the group Start Smart Guide. So I signed up for my automation yesterday at 7:25. I seriously need to get out more. But over a minute and a half later, you can see that I was removed from the group because over a minute later, I hadn't received the email that was supposed to be being sent. So if you have got in their details added to group, but the next step above it isn't automation was sent, that means that there is a problem with that automation. 9 times out of 10, you've not turned the automation on. So what I did in this instance is I went back, I turned the automation on, I came back, I removed them from that group, Start Smart Guide, because you know that all of the triggers to the workflows 9 times out of 10 is added to a group. So I removed myself from that group. I re-added myself to that group. And you can see that within 10 seconds, that email was sent. So how do you do that? So top right-hand corner, click on, not type. So how do you add somebody to a group? So if you go to subscriber details, click on edit, you will see all the groups here. So I would click on the cross there, that would remove them from the group. I would then add the group. So for example, I'm going to add myself to my free group subscription now. I'm going to add that. I'm going to save changes. Now, because I have been added to that group, I will now be added to the automation. So you can see I was added to free group, but because my automation is on point and it knows that I'm on the master list, it's removed me from the automation. It's not sent me any emails. So we know that that's working, but that's how you would do that. So you would just edit them, remove them, add them again. So if anybody ever says to you that they've not received an email, this is the first place that you need to come. And if it says was sent, they have received that email, you need to go back to them and say, I can see that the emails were sent. Is it possible that it's got lost in your spam? Is it possible that you've opened it, deleted it, not realized who it's coming from? But if it says it was sent, it was sent. If it hasn't sent, normally it's an automation problem. So just make sure that that automation is turned on. And sometimes you will come in and you will see here that it says that I'm active here. Normally it will say that they've unsubscribed. So at some point they've unsubscribed or they've marked you as spam or something like that. So they would need to like re-opt in at that point. But sometimes when people say they've not received an email from you or they didn't receive something, it's because they've unsubscribed. But this is where you need to come, because this is where the troubleshooting will begin.